Hi, everybody. George here, GBR Trains. How you all doing? Well, I'm going to do another update on some of the engines that I have here. And of course, I've had this one just a short time. It's this New Haven line. It's the low hood New Haven number 2500. It's a Rapido engine, and I got it from Train World. I forgot I had ordered this engine a long time ago. Then I got a notification, hey, it's being shipped. Well, here it is. It's a nice engine. I kind of like it. The sounds are great, and it does a good job on pulling the load as well. And by the way, this engine here, the real engine that came through Danbury back in the early 60s, I believe, there is a photograph of it, but because the photo's copyrighted, I can't show it here on YouTube. So we're going to run the train just a little bit. And don't forget, if you like what you see here, please hit the like button down below and also subscribe because they do help the YouTube numbers considerably. So let's get going with our New Haven 2500. Yes, sir, right here on GBR Trains.